So we move out and this is the view. Yeah, this is the view which I get. What's up guys? It's the son from the mother and son ko with my mother here and this is a Diwali vlog.
दिवाली तो चली गई मेरा ख्याल
14 नवंबर and अभी ये वीडियो जाएगी सेकेंड वीक या फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ दिसंबर में. तो apologies for that. Okay, तो we know कि ये vlog और video whatever you want to call it दिसंबर में जा रहा है, but still we wanted to wish you guys a very belated happy Diwali. तो ये दीदी ने भेजा है सिंगापुर से सेकंड टाइम. हमें भी अभी उसको कुछ भेजना है.
हमें भेजने की कुछ शर्म आनी चाहिए हमको.
बट वाओ मोमो से भेजा है उसने.
ट्राई करते हैं. उसी से समझा मैंने कि उसको कैसे भेजना है.
हाँ.
एक बार कोशिश की थी लेकिन हो नहीं पाया था और हमें अभी भूख भी लग रही थी. ये होते हैं बच्चे, माँ बाप का ख्याल होता है.
साइड में से भी खोल दिया आपने.
गरम गरम है, गरम है.
दीदी ने बोलता कि कुछ ऐसा कि मैंने खाया नहीं है जो आज तक.
सफिशिएंट है.
बाप रे, तो काफी है.
हाँ बहुत है. हाथों में ना
ये
इतने से ही खाना शुरू कर.
कैसे खोला है. छी.
ये लो जेंटल तरीके से खोलेंगे अब हम. सारे खोल दो.
वाओ मोमोज है. वाओ मोमोज है. वाओ मोमो.
वाओ ये तो वाओ मोमो है.
हे भगवान, मम्मा कितनी गंदी कटिंग कर रहे हो आप. ये हम ओह ये क्या है.
कुछ फ्राइड टाइप.
हाँ
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, इसे मैं लगा बस खा जाओ. Once upon a time. ओह चॉकलेट है ये तो.
ओह चॉकलेट मोमो. यही नहीं खाया मैंने आज तक.
इसी के लिए बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. मम्मी को भूख लगी हुई है काफी. खाओ बच्चे खाओ. खाओ बच्चे खाओ. खाओ बच्चे खाओ.
खाएं फिर.
अब हम खाते हैं.
खाएं फिर.
Phase 1 is done. It's starting to look much cleaner, but now phase 2 begins. That is, I'll drop some water, I'll scrub it with a jhadu, and then I'll mop it with the mop. Okay, so time to show you guys how we decorated our home and what it looks like. So this is what my mom actually made. Yeah, on the door, on the walls. So that's actually big. And then this is how we decorated the door. I really like this, which looks beautiful. And then down here, I have some candles which I have to light up, but that's a little decoration done by me. And then here we have some tires which actually mom painted. Yeah, these are actual tires. Mom painted these. These are all of the plants. Some more plants there. We move closer. We have this. Apparently these were all lit up, but not anymore. Now we go in and boom, this is what it is. A lot of lightings, I'd like to say. Yeah, as you can clearly see. And then we go even further in. I'll take you guys to what is the balcony, or what is it? I don't even know what it's called. Terrace. Thank you, Mummy. But we go out here. Not a lot of lighting here, I know, but because there is no plug. Yeah. So we move out and this is the view. Yeah, this is the view which I get. Damn, this looks like a street from Tokyo. And that's our place where the gym is, and mummy says ki it looks like a dhula because it looks like he's wearing a sahara. Yeah, you guys be the judge of it. But this is the view. So we go back in. I have some lights on this wall. I have some lights on this wall. I pasted these lights on this so that it actually sticks and does not fall off. And then these follow around here, and we move even further in. We have my mom just chilling here. Okay, so now we go into washing area. I piroed these lights there. Yeah, as you can see, my towel is actually hiding or covering a lot of the lights. So we close this. I go into my room. It's really dark, and I still have workout equipment just lying around here because I worked out. But this is my balcony. Yes, this is actually the first light which I installed because I have a switch here. Now if we go to my other balcony, it's not lit up because the power switch does not work. I don't know if it's visible or not, but this is the power switch. Yeah, it's not visible. But you know what? To compensate that, my mom made these, which is amazing. And these are controlled by a remote. So if I move in, as you can see, it has a lot of lights on it. If I tap the cyan one, it turns to cyan. If I tap the red one, it obviously turns red. And then we have the jhilmil, guys. We have the jhilmil. We have the slow one, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we have the slow one. We have another slow one. Yeah, and then we have another jhilmil. What the hell? Yeah, see, another jhilmil. And these are all of the colors which I can switch my lights. That's amazing. I can also increase and decrease the brightness. That's pretty sweet. Thank you for this, mummy.
My pleasure.
But now we move into my sister's room, which is actually also not that lit. But on the balcony, I managed to install some red lights. That looks pretty. It's not really visible, or is it? Because there are houses in the back as well. Okay guys, so this is the segment where I tell you and show you guys what all kurtas I bought. I bought 3 of them. 2 are here and the other one is on the opposite wall. Yeah, so let's start off with this one. This is a basic kurta, nothing much. It costed me for 1400. I bought it from Max, and this is the kurta. Yes, very nice, very good. And then we move on. This is the next kurta. It's a bit sexy according to me because it has that collar going on, you know, like a bit of skin show. I'm not really comfortable, but let's see. It looked good on me. It costed me for 700 rupees. Bought it from Shatranj. I think this is also from Max. This is how it looks like. Pretty good. And then this is the third kurta. This is really sexy. Yeah, because a lot of skin show, and this costed me for 900. By the way, I just remember that I bought these from Big Bazaar, actually, not Max. I bought only one from Max, and that's this one. I bought this one from Max, bought this one from Big Bazaar, and bought this one from Big Bazaar as well. But okay, getting back, I bought this for 900, and this is what it looks like. I really tried hard not to buy kurtas which made me look like Guddu Bhaiya, because there are a lot there which made me look like Guddu Bhaiya. So this is the collar. It has this thing going on, and actually there's a whole arm. Yeah, it's not like this. I don't know where the arm is. I think it's inside. But this is the third kurta. And I'll be really honest, I'm not a guy who wears traditionals or formals. I'm just a guy who wears shorts and shirts because that's what I wear literally 90% of my life. But these are the kurtas which I bought. Okay, so I didn't emphasize on these, but these are actually handmade. So you know those plastic bags, or not actually plastic, but paper bags which come. So my mom cut them out and then made this. Another thing which my mom made from those, but this is a little setup we have going on here. We have a goddess, and we actually have to stick these. Yeah, my mom was waiting when I would do jhadu pocha because we have to paste these here. But moving on, we have Ganesh ji just chilling on what is it called? Water fountain. Yeah, and then these. My mom also made these. That's amazing. That is amazing. And then we have this, which is very elite looking.
पूजा हम नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि कुछ हमारी फैमिली में एक जो हमारी दादी सास है उनकी डेथ हो गई है, तो हमें मना हो गई है।
Yes.
प्रॉपर जो पूजा होती है वो करनी, बाकी कर सकते हैं।
Yes. So that was the Diwali का setup. Are you happy with the Diwali का setup, मम्मी? Setup and decoration.
बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन बहुत टायर्ड हो गए हैं।
Exactly. अब क्या करेंगे हम?
नेक्स्ट ईयर हम जल्दी करेंगे सब चीज। अभी हम जा रहे हैं बाहर
Nice. तो let's go.
आउटिंग पर। मैंने आज दिवाली फ्रेंडली दुपट्टा पहना है जानबूझ के। दिया बनाया हुआ इन्होंने, डेकोरेशन अच्छी है ये। हाँ, दिवाली शॉपिंग के लिए हम आए लॉजिक्स मॉल में। और क्या है शॉपिंग के लिए, लिफाफे दिखाना। हाँ, ये लटकाया हुआ है इन्होंने, ये भी बहुत बड़ा एक दिया बनाया हुआ है, बहुत अच्छा है। सभी लोग फोटो खींच रहे हैं यहाँ पर। मॉल एकदम चल पड़ा है, चहल पहल हो गई है, पूरी खूब शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं लोग। ये देखो लाइट्स, वाओ कितना अच्छा लग रहा है। यहाँ पर छोटी छोटी एक्स्ट्रा शॉप्स लगाई हुई हैं। हैप्पी दिवाली।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
वाओ कितना अच्छा लग रहा है। लाइट्स ही लाइट्स, लाइट्स ही लाइट्स। 2020